Race number one. Racing just is started. We have seen Swen break quickly to start. Harry Storm is done on the inside. Russell Dassel comes next, then followed by Bahaghari. Running by Darila Cobos Magic, Military Secret, Kaligayahan, Hard Work Classic, Winterfields, Lahaina comes next, while Tricky Trees is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader run going along for the first turn. Rally Storm by about 3 lengths in Swen. In second and in third now is Bahaghari. Moving upon the outside of Cobos Magic, Russell Dassel, Kaligayahan. Then next online is Military Secret, Hard Work Classic, Winterfields, Lahaina second last, while Tricky Trace is still racing in last. Back to the leader, Rally Storm by a length, and in second since when then comes Cobos Magic. Winterfield now moving up now to take fourth, then comes Russell Dassel. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Rally Storm by a length, and up since when is still working very hard in second. Cobos Magic, Winterfields, and as they swing for home, Rally Storm by a length, and up since when is on the outside. Winterfields in between horses, and on the outside now is Cobos Magic. Last 100 meters, we have since when Winterfields is done on the inside. Cobos Magic is on the outside, and finally it's since when Winterfields, then comes Cobos Magic, Alice Charm, Russell Dassel, Kaligayahan close with Hard Work Classic.
Very exciting ang inyong natunghayan dito sa ating race number 1 Bayang Karirista. Nakakaba. Pero ang ating po nga unofficial winner dito, none other than numero 5, since when? Your favorite, masasegundo nga dyan numero 6, Winterfields, numero 1, Jacob.